कमांडो कमांडो अरे सर सर रोहित सर होल्ड होल्ड या सामने अरे अश्विनी
ए कौन है?
ए भाई ए यहाँ पे सर थैंक यू सर मैडम इधर इधर हो इधर सरवरी जी हाँ सरवरी इथे बघा हा बघा उधर रुको मॅडम समोर देतो मॅडम सरवरी जी सरवरी कापूर रुकिए मैडम सामने सामने सरवरी रुकिए मैडम राइट में सरवरी वेट कमांडो 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 अजय सर थांबा ना सर यहाँ पे राइट अजय सर यहाँ पे सामने अजय सर सामने राइट अजय सामने थैंक यू जोशी सर सर एकदम समोर बघा सचिन समोर समोर सर सामने आपके सचिन सर
to Honorable Municipal Commissioner Mr. Gagrani ji, the founder of the Bamla Foundation, Chairman Mr. Asif Bamla ji also here. And we have very beautiful Sharwari here with the heart of being an eco champ, eco warrior. Thank you. Welcome, Sharwari. I request and Mr. Ajay Devgan, big round of applause for Honorable Municipal Commissioner Mr. Gagrani, Ajay Devgan ji, and the man of action Rohit Shetty ji, along with Imtiaz Ali ji. We have Mr. Vijay Karya from Ravin Group, Mr. Neeraj Roy from Hangama. I request all of you, Mr. Bamla, everybody, please take them to have a seat. Sir, so please come. Come, Sharwari. आइए मिस्टर कार्य नीरज रॉय Can I have Ms. Rohini Iyer, if she's here, to please come on the stage? Mr. Satya, can I have Mr. Dhruv from Godrej to please come on stage? And yeah, Mr. Ranjit Bindra, the hospitality partner from Baston, please come on stage. And so, Mr. We will just. Yeah, we'll switch on the lights. Yes, we're going to give you all the important. Seema Singh ji, please, aye. We welcome Kunal Jani also from Baston Hospitality. Kunal, thank you so much. We have Hussain Nalani ji, Mr. Ajay Mittal ji from Director of Laksh. Request you to please come on stage. Is Ms. Rohini Iyer is here from the Raindrop? Okay. Okay. No, ठीक है. Okay. Yeah, let's start. Yeah, Mr. Harsh, please come from Notan Das. Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, media friends, civic champions, environment warriors, eco champs, everyone, to our wonderful afternoon to launch this beautiful. Can I have everyone to please just come on the set, because we need to show the film. I need the LED screens to be a little empty. So we're launching the Environment Day campaign film for 2025. This year, Bamla Foundation, in association, collaboration with the Mumbai Mahanagar Palika, BMC, not just to bring us the message, but a cinematic experience with a conscience. The two powerful public service announcement, PS Fin, which has been written and directed by incredible Imtiaz Ali ji, none other than legendary actor Ajay Devgan ji and a very talented Sharvari. What makes even today special is that we are hosting this event in the H West Ward. Bhushan Gagrani ji, this plan was supposed to happen to the headquarters, but yes, with your blessings and thank you to our Honorable Assistant Municipal Commissioner Dinesh Pallewarji and the entire team of H West Ward. Let's give a big round of applause for all the support what the H West Ward has given to us. So to begin with this, I would like to call the man, the visionary behind this whole campaign of environment from 2 decades, the man, the source behind everything, whatever happens about environment, and very thoughtful, Mr. Asif Bamla. I would request Asif Bamla to please say a few words.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you, the Honorable Dais. We have the Honorable Municipal Commissioner Bhushan Gagrani ji. Please raise a huge round of applause for our young and an equally actor-looking commissioner. So we have also the face of this beautiful campaign, Ajay Devgan ji. Zara zordar thaliyon se swagat kariye. Itni kanjusi ki zarurat nahi hai. And of course, we have Imtiaz Ali, the curator of this beautiful campaign. A very, very big round of applause for him. And of course, the beautiful Sharvari Bagh. With me, of course. Acha, Sharvari ke liye zyada awaaz aa raha hai. Okay. Is it? Okay. So then there is Vijay Karya ji from Ravin. We have Mr. Neeraj Roy from Hangama. I have Mr. Sachin here with me. I have my friend from Godrej, Mr. Dhruv from there. And on my sides, I have Kunal, I have Ranjit Bindra from the Bastion, who has really served us very good food while we were shooting Imtiaz. I don't know if you were party to it, but of course we were. Seema ji is here. Hussain Lalani is here. My friend from Indoor Publicity is here. From Laksha is here. My friend Harish is here. Rohini from Raindrop, who's managed a lot of media for us, a lot of time for causes, and that to pro bono, and Inder Kataria. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's been an August gathering with a little of fear because there were very significant meetings, and I was a little worried about the commissioner. I know the commissioner is going to get a little upset with me because I'm repeating this for the 5th time, but I'm really indebted with him for leaving that and being a part of this noble endeavor, simply because BMC is a part of this initiative, and to the Bhamla Foundation, BMC's, this is not the first initiative. We started off with the first campaign where we had the legend Mr. Bachchan, who did TB Harega Desh Jeetega. पता नहीं आप लोगों ने यहाँ से कई लोग ने देखे होंगे, ताहिर भाई आपने भी देखा होगा, टीबी हारेगा देश जीतेगा. एंड ऑफ कोर्स फिर उसके बाद हमने किया janbachao.com विद अजय देव विद अक्षय कुमार जी, दैट वाज janbachao.com. And then that was also a very, very big campaign against diabetes and hypertension. So we worked on non-communicable diseases. But of course, our main forte is definitely environment. That's a flagship campaign. So globally, we work with the United Nations Environment Program, with the Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change, and of course, the BMC. So the BMC last year was very supportive, and I think there was some way we could please the Commissioner, sir, with of course work that happened in the last campaign of Bhumi Namaskar, which was directed by R. Balki ji. And of course, this year we have Imtiaz sir to do this. And we hope that next year we have Rohit also for part of this. And I know that Rohit is not going to shake his head because he's a little conscious of disclosing things. But that's going fine. And so when it goes to the foundation, we're about just none other than 29 years old organization. We started with this environment endeavor 13 years back, and we had we started in a very small way, but when we started environment to look at it, kya baat kar raha hai, कि रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग की बात कर रहा है या climate change mitigation की बात कर रहा है and all of that. But slowly it started, and of course I would give very major credit and credits to our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who walked the talk with the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, wherein and when we had this opportunity to, for organizations like us came into bigger light, I would say, only after our Honorable Prime Minister took this mission of cleanliness, of cleaning of the cleanliness in the toilets, and the various other initiatives. So it's a very august gathering, and without taking ado and without taking a lot of time, I thank you all from the bottom of my heart for being part of this. And let me tell you, today is the first opening day, and you will see this campaign live, of course, which will go on Ajay ji's handles, on the BMC's official handle. But the main function, public function जो होना है वो है 4 तारीख को पर्यावरण दिवस पर, क्योंकि ये कैंपेन पर्यावरण के लिए बना है। और 2 कैंपेन है, जिसमें एक का नाम है अर्थिंग और सेकंड का नाम है बीट प्लास्टिक पोल्यूशन 3O। सो दे आर टू कैंपेन, और ये 4 तारीख को इसका ऑफिशियल अनावर 2-2.5 हज़ार लोगों के बीच कार्टर रोड में होगा, जहां ऑफ कोर्स फिल्म से संबंधित सारे लोग आएंगे। मैं गुजारिश करूंगा रोहित जी आप भी आएँ, अगर आपके पास समय हो तो। 4 तारीख को कमिश्नर साहब ने तो वक्त दिया ही है, तो 4 को वो होगा एट द कार्टर रोड एम्फी थिएटर इन बैंड्रा, वेयर वी हैव द environment enthusiasts from all over India coming to see and witness this global launch. Next day is the Green Cyclothon in the morning at 8 a.m. from amphitheater again. It's a joyride till Bandra station, because we also attached with the railways, so they're also part of the campaign. So these are the programs that further, तो मैं मीडिया के भी लोगों को अभी से ही बता देता हूँ, ताकि आपको वापस मुझे निमंत्रण देने की जरूरत ना पड़े। तो 4 तारीख को 7 बजे 6 बजे कार्टर रोड पर, और 5 तारीख को सुबह 8 बजे हम मिलेंगे कार्टर रोड पे। साइक्लोथॉन सब मिलके साइकिल करेंगे और इस देश की उन्नति को बढ़ाएंगे और सेहत में इजाफा लाएंगे। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी, वंस अगेन बाय।
Thank you, Asif Bhai. Thank you for being the driving force of the Bamla Foundation. Now, up next is my honor to call, I call him the very important pillar of Mumbai city and giving the civic transformation to the city. Sir, thank you so much for serving the best time to the city. Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji will say a few words.
Namaste. BMC is proudly associated and very pleased to associate my organization with this very noble cause of Bhamla Foundation, all the NGOs, and I'm especially thankful to Ajay ji, Imtiaz ji, Rohit ji, Sharwari ji to be part of this initiative. As we know, climate change, environment is touching our everyday life. And it is not a regulatory government issue. It's a public issue. It is concerning all of us, particularly the next generation. It's a mutual reciprocatory issue. Only making rules, regulation, plans, schemes is not going to address our issues and our problems. It is not an occasion for me to share with you what BMC is doing to take care of city's environment and climate. However, I must tell you that whatever we are doing to reach it to every citizen of Mumbai, a big amount of sensitization, big amount of participation of stakeholders is required, and it is made possible with this today's initiative and occasion. I am very thankful that the person like Ajay ji has agreed to associate himself. The way message can be carried more effectively to every person of Mumbai and every person of, for that matter, of India, I think this is not possible without the help of all these luminaries and dignitaries. So I think I must take this on note that the participation of, I won't use the word celebrity here, I'm very careful about that, because these all people are with very strong sense of social commitment, and wherever the occasion comes, I think they are fully supporting all these public issues and public concerns. So their message will be effectively communicated, and which cannot be done by rules, regulations, and coercive actions can be easily possible by convincing the people and sensitizing them. The Prime Minister's vision, the Chief Minister's framework, and for example, various initiatives taken by Deputy Chief Minister like Deep Clean Drive, you all of them must be aware of that thing. It will not be possible without the participation of the last man or last woman standing there, because they are the affected people. We may not be affected to that extent, and I am sure that these films, this message will carry a long lasting impact. It will imprint this message on everyone's mind so deeply that we'll be more and more conscious. We are already becoming conscious, but we'll be more and more conscious in future about the environment and about our next generation, which promises we need to fulfill. So thank you very much, and thank you very much for BMC to give this opportunity.
Thank you very much, and having a very clear vision to upgrade Mumbai in a better way, and which we're seeing. Obviously, there's a lot of construction going on, but that's for the betterment, and the balance between environment and development is the great thing, which we have been seeing around this. Now, I move further. I don't need to introduce this gentleman. These films had made us cry, laugh, and believe in love. But today, he lent his storytelling to the new generation. Public service cinema. His honesty shines through these movies, and I would personally say all the movies what he made is what all the people sitting here under this roof are fan of his direction, his vision towards Indian cinema. Please welcome the director of Jab We Met, Rockstar, Chamkila, and now the PS film, Mr. Imtiaz Ali ji.
Hello, good afternoon. अनफॉर्चुनेटली जो पर्यावरण का हाल है दुनिया भर में वो ऐसा है कि जब हम लोगों को अप्रोच किया गया और जब मैंने अजय जी को, शर्वरी को कहा कि हम ये कर सकते हैं, तो सब लोग बहुत जल्दी से तैयार हो गए, क्योंकि हम सबको एहसास है, सब लोग जो यहाँ बैठे हैं उनको भी एहसास है कि इस दुनिया को शायद हम हमेशा के लिए तो नहीं बचा पाएंगे, क्योंकि जो हो चुका है उसको पूरी तरह से रिवर्स करना शायद पॉसिबल नहीं है, मगर हमारे पास सिर्फ एक चारा है कि हम उसको कोशिश करें जितनी देर तक वो हेल्दी रह सके। और जो हमारा भी मैसेज है वो ये है कि धरती अपना ख्याल रख लेगी, हम जो इंसान हैं हमें अपना ख्याल रखना है, और ये हम कर सकते हैं टू बी इफ़ वी आर इन टच विद द अर्थ। जैसा कि अभी भूषण जी ने कहा कि ये पॉलिसी से सिर्फ नहीं हो सकता है, ये कोई चोर पुलिस वाला खेल नहीं है। ये वो वाली फिल्म है जिसमें हर को जागना पड़ेगा एंड हर को थोड़ा बहुत कंट्रीब्यूट करना पड़ेगा। ऑल ऑफ अस ओवर हियर फ्रॉम द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, फ्रॉम द क्रिएटिव इंडस्ट्री, रोहित, माई सेल्फ, अजय, Sharwari, and everybody who's not even present over here. Rohini, I consider you also part of the film industry. Want to contribute. We want to lend our voice, our efforts, our work into taking forward the vision of the BMC, of the government, of the country. And we congratulate Mr. Asif Bamla and his foundation for having such a long sustained battle against not only environmental disasters but various other disasters and other problems. So thank you for being here, and all of us should do what we can to send the message of the earth across. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. And I will take it further. All the hard work done by Imtiaz Ali, Ajay ji, and Sharwari ji. the digital media has been very, very important to us. I would request Neeraj Roy to please say a few words. Neeraj Roy from Hungama.
Thank you very much, Mr. Gagrani, Ajay ji, Imtiaz Sharwari, Rohit, Asif Bhai, and all of us, all dignitaries on dais and all members of media. हम लोगों का मामला फाउंडेशन के साथ कुछ 8-9 साल से एक रिश्ता जुड़ा है और my own story associated with this started जब मेरी daughter शायद 6 साल की थी और मैं कमरे से बाहर जा रहा था and she asked me, she said, she pointed out that मैंने fan नहीं बंद किया था and that triggered something in my mind and it's been often quoted. You see, we don't inherit planet Earth from our ancestors. We actually merely borrow it from our children. And this particular cause, this is actually the third initiative. United Nations in just the last 10 years, plastic pollution ke bare mein, this is the third time that they have brought this up. And we couldn't have found a better creative team to express this because all of us, as Hungama itself, as a digital platform, the only thing we are able to do is to take this across to as many more millions of people with the intention of changing habits. And plastic pollution is truly one of the most significant. They say that in the next 10-15 years, it could account for as much as 13% of the entire environmental issues, with 850 million tons that are being put to waste every day. So we're very honored to be part of this, and thank you once again to everyone who's been associated, and we certainly look forward to trying to take this across to as many consumers and just essentially lead to citizen action. Thank you.
Thank you, Neeraj ji. Thank you for all your support. Now, as you know, we have the Godrej Industries and a very, very important partner of this Bamla Foundation event, and the group which has been supporting the foundation over 10 years and standing shoulder to shoulder to support all the causes of sustainability. Mr. Vijay Karia, for the chairman of the Ravin Group, to please say a few words.
Thank you, Miraj. I think you confused between two of us. So anyway, Mr. Bhushan Gagrani, Mr. Imtiaz Ali, Mr. Ajay Devgan Sharwari, and all the eminent people sitting on the dais, but I think the more important people are the ones who are down here, because they are going to carry forward this message of what needs to be done and how they are going to do it. The basic premise of any progress is that first you need to protect what is already existing, and then only you can progress. You cannot deteriorate something and then look to progress. And I think this campaign, which was kicked off on 18th of January by the release of the poster at the hands of the Honorable Governor as well as Ajay Devganji, showed that we are concerned about the environment, and as Mr. Gagrani very correctly said, that it's not a question of celebrities, because ultimately we are all human beings, and human life can only progress, animal life can only progress, plant life can only progress if we humans take care of what is here and what is with us, what is on earth and what is beneath the earth. As I told Ajay ji a few minutes ago, that I loved that line where he said that wiring can be safe only if we are earthed. And since I come from the electrical industry, I hold that very dear to heart, and he's absolutely correct. I'm sure when you see the film, you will connect with it. But most importantly, rather than just giving support and looking at the film and clapping or posting it on the social media, I would request that all of us work hard to leave this world, because here, though we are launching it in Mumbai and we are connecting ourselves with India, but it's not just a question of Mumbai and India, but it's a question of the entire world. So I request that all of us please work, put our hands together to make this world a much better place, or at least not deteriorate further than what we are seeing it today, because now it's a matter of life and death. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Vijaykaryan. Very true. The Ravin Group has been a strong supporter into any sustainable and environment cause with Bamla Foundation thing. Thank you for actually supporting this called the Geo event which we did at the Ravin 75 years of celebration where Mr. Devgan was announced as the ambassador. Now, अब जिनके बारे में बोलना चाहूँगा वो सिर्फ धूम धाम और गाड़ी उड़ाने की बात करते हैं. Let's give a big round of applause for Mr. Rohit Shetty.
एनवायरनमेंट के लिए बुलाया है और इंट्रोडक्शन के धूमधाम और गाड़ियाँ उड़ाते हैं. बट आई थिंक ऑन अ सीरियस नोट एनवायरनमेंट इज़ एन इशू जिसको हम बहुत लाइटली लेते हैं. एंड एज कमिश्नर सर सेट के इट्स नॉट अ ऑथोरिटी की इशू नहीं है, ये पब्लिक इशू. एंड व्हेन ही सेड पब्लिक दैट मीन्स ऑल ऑफ अस विच इंक्लूड्स एवरीवन. एंड जो ये वीडियो बने हैं जो इम्तियाज़ ने डायरेक्ट की है, अजय सर, शर्वरी have taken the initiative is to create the awareness, because awareness से ही हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. because जो harm है वो रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में नहीं हो रहा है हम पर, इसलिए शायद हम उसे रियलाइज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं. बट जब वो होता है तो वो बहुत बड़े लेवल पर होता है. एंड वो किसी एक कम्युनिटी या कोई एक सोसाइटी या कुछ लोगों पर नहीं होता है. इट अफेक्ट्स द होल सिटी समटाइम्स, इट अफेक्ट्स द होल कंट्री समटाइम्स, एंड इट अफेक्ट्स मैनकाइंड आई वुड से. सो आज का जो इनिशिएटिव है इज़ टू क्रिएट एन अवेयरनेस मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स. एंड इट शुड बी लाइक अ चेन कि शुरुआत हम यहाँ से कर रहे हैं बट ये अवेयरनेस बढ़ती जाए. ख़ास करके आने वाली जनरेशन के लिए हम जैसे हम अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ ना कुछ इन्वेस्ट करते हैं ये सोच करके अब हमारी जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन है, आगे जो हमारी फैमिली है वो आगे कैसे बढ़ेगी. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट टू द होल coming generation from our side, and that's what I would like to finish with. के I think वीडियो देख लेते हैं क्योंकि पूरा वीडियो बनाने का रीज़न ही ये था कि ज़्यादा बात ना करें, अवेयरनेस डिजिटली कैसे आगे बढ़े.
So you're a role model and people want to listen to you. After two beautiful directors, one into love, one into action, and because action बोलते तो pollution भी इनके सुनता है. We have Shamak Davar ji who has curated this whole choreography of Tick Tick Plastic, Bhumi Namaskar, Dhak Dhak Dharti. Shamak ji, please take the mic and share your thoughts with the Bamla Foundation.
I think everyone's spoken so much, so I don't need to say anything, but I can only dance pollution away for you all. Thank you, Mr. Bamla.
And thank you, Mazi, also for being here. Now, can we have before we launch the official movie, I would request everyone to please move aside from the side screen. Everyone on my left and the right both. Let's have the poster release of a very important film on environment. Okay, still, Pratham, please come on. Come. Ajay. Pratham Karya from Ravin Group. So we're launching a first movie which is Pyasa. Okay, I've got a message. So we're doing the earthing first. Asif bhai, please. Earthing, yes. Sharmuri, Ajay ji, Imtiaz ji and Rohit ji. So unveil the poster. Now we're unveiling the poster. After that you have to just rise the banner, yeah. Just turn it around and we have the official poster launch. Yes. Yeah, Bhushan ji, just turn it features. 1, 2, 3. Can we have it on the screens as well? Yes, this is earthing. Very beautiful, Ajay Devgan ji and Sharvari both. Now I would request Honorable Municipal Commissioner ji to please press the button at the plasma. Okay, we'll have the second poster release as well. Okay, so let's have the second poster. This is cinematic in 1980s. Now in 3, 2, 1, let's unveil this. It's called Pyasa. As I said, the first movie, I would request Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to please press the button and we can see the movie on the screens, on the plasma, sir. Romanchak? और आप लोग प्लीज साइड जाइए, प्लाज्मा से थोड़ा पीछे आ जाइए. In 3, 2, 1, let's have the movie. Hello? Yeah, can we have the second movie now, Pyasa? On the screens? Plastic hatao, pyas bachao. Plastic is something which is really, really bad for the human health. Also, single-use plastic is the mission which we are fighting for. Rohit ji, Imtiaz ji, thank you so much for actually, Imtiaz ji, getting the thought of Pyasa. When we were unveiling the poster of Pyasa, people were very confused. But what a thought behind this, that हमारी प्यास अगर कोई बचाएगा तो वो पानी को बचाएगा जो धरती को ज़्यादा प्यासा ना करे. Now I would request to please felicitate our guest. Hashim ji, please send the trophy of Bamla Foundation, and Mr. Bamla would give the memento to Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji. Yes. Are we all ready now, Hashim? लेके जाओ, लेके जाओ. Asif Bamla ji will present this trophy. Now I would request Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to please felicitate Mr. Ajay Devgan ji with a beautiful momentum from the MCGM and Ravin Group. Yeah, thank you, sir. Sir, you, Bhushan ji, आप please यहीं रहिएगा. I'm calling Sharvari ji to please come and receive this honor from Honorable Commissioner. नहीं sir, आप. Very beautiful momentum from the MCGM and the BMC and the Ravin Group. Tree of Life. It's a very meaningful momentum given by the Ravin Group to Sharvari Wagh. It's Tree of Life. And request the Honorable Director, Mr. Imtiaz Ali ji, to please come and collect this. Beautiful. Yeah, please come. I would request Mr. Vijay Karya ji also to please join. Mr. Vijay Karya ji. Yes, sir. हाँ या वन ना ओके दिस वन फर्स्ट लेट्स फेलिसिटेट मिस्टर रोहित शेट्टी जी विजय जी आप यहीं रहेगा रोहित जी प्लीज आइए मिस्टर आसिफ बामला जी मिस्टर विजय कारिया ji from Raven Group and Mr. Gagrani ji presenting this beautiful moment to Mr. Rohit Shetty. I will request Vijay Karia ji to please felicitate Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji with beautiful. No, sir. Okay. We have some really beautiful momentums to come up to people who have supported this. Mr. My very favorite Mr. Ranjit Midra ji to please come, and Kunal Jani, both of you all. Can we have the BMC sapling? Yeah. And the trophy? Come, Kunal. I request Rohini Iyer ji from Raindrop Media to please come and collect this beautiful momentum. Come. I request Mr. Shamak Davar ji to please come and receive this beautiful momentum from the BMC. I call her Iron Lady. I call her doing a great job. This is one of our favorite, the lady who's been fighting for multiple causes, Seema ji. Big applause for Mega Shray Chairman, Founder Seema Singh ji. Can I have the BMC trophy for Seema ji? Very strong, and she's the family of the Bamla Foundation, Seema Singh ji. Request Hussain Alani ji, Mr. Avi Mittal ji, and Harsh ji to please receive a sapling, and Inder Kataria also please receive a sapling from the Honorable Municipal Commissioner. I know Mr. Dhruv. Yes, we calling sir. Mr. Hussain Lalani ji. Dhruv ji, please आइए ना. Hussain Lalani ji. Mr. Dhruv Talwar, the Associate Vice President of Corporate Brand and Communication, Mr. Dhruv Talwar ji. Big round of applause for Godrej supporting and actually, yeah. Thank you Godrej Industries for being part of it. And from Laksh Vidya ji, we have Avi Mittal ji. Ajay Mittal ji, I'm so sorry Ajay ji. Can I have a sapling for Ajay Mittal ji from Laksh Vidya? No. Neeraj ji is going to be happening at the last because he's been with us. Neeraj ji, please come. Sir, please come. Please come, please come. And Vijay Karya ji, aap bhi please आइए, sir. Can I have the BMC trophy? Haan. And the producer, no, the Romanchak will have a very special
So we invite Romanchak Arora ji, Zordar Taali. He is the producer of this beautiful campaign. He has relentlessly worked day and night. Bhushan ji, आपको थोड़ा सा इनके खंदों पे भी थोड़ा सा पैड करना पड़ेगा because जो टेक्निकल काम इन्होंने किया हमें तो कुछ समझ आता नहीं है. But the way he has worked it out and he's done this, is this yes. Yeah, memento for Romanchak, yes. A very huge round of applause. Romanchak, we are very indebted. He's been the oldest associate with the foundation, giving you all the beautiful films.
Thank you, Romanchak. Thank you for standing and guiding the foundation with such beautiful concept of everything and a beautiful name, Romanchak. आपने हमेशा हमको रोमांच किया. Thank you so much. Thank you. I would request now Mazi ji, please आइए ना एक sapling लीजिए. कब please come. Vijay ji का can I have the Ravin cable का trophy with me? आओ ना sir. Sir. Yes. Sir, this is. Please come. हमारा पूरा order up down हो गया. So this is for Ravin Group, the chairman of Ravin Group, Mr. Vijay Karya. Pratham also. If Pratham is here, Pratham, please come join. Pratham Karya. Yeah. Yeah. Come in the frame, Pratham. Yes. Inder Kataria from Everglow will receive a sapling. Visual experience partner of the Bamla Foundation Environment Day. Tahir bhai, all the way from Dubai. We love you. Thank you so much for supporting and having the Dubai charter in the Bamla Foundation charter in Dubai. Okay, now we are here for the press. Felicitation ho gaya hai. We've seen the movie now. माजी जी को मैंने पीछे सर माजी जी कम. Thank you Rohit ji for reminding me actually. Come. Before we have the question and answer, I would request Asif bhai. Yeah. So you just ask.
And you played a cop, a warrior, even Shiva himself. But today you're donning into a role of a climate warrior. What made you say yes to this campaign? The people would like to know.
Good afternoon, everybody. A for one, I'm very happy that this campaign was offered to me. I have always been very concerned about the global warming issue. I mean, before it became so big, I'm talking about nearly 10, 12 years ago, where people used to hardly speak about it. I was always very concerned, and I used to follow things, used to talk to my children about it. And I really felt that what Rohit also said, I used to always feel that we were trying to do so much, and the only excuse we have when we say we're trying to do so much is for our next generation, for our children and things like this. But what if they don't have a place to live? So this always did concern me, and I think I always thought of protecting, trying to protect. And my way of doing it is by creating awareness. Whatever little bit I can do myself, I do, definitely do, like switching off lights and things like this. But it has to be done, each person has to do it. So we can only create awareness, and सबको साथ में जुड़ना पड़ेगा, तभी ये हो सकता है, वरना ये नहीं हो सकता.
Thank you, Ajay ji, being so thoughtful. And we have the Honorable Guardian Minister, the Cabinet Minister, and our very favorite MLA Advocate Ashish Shelar ji. Big round of applause for the family of Bamla Foundation. He's been guarding the Mumbai now, but he's been guarding the Bamla Foundation from last 2 decades. The man with the heart of environment, the changes he has been, and this beautiful film which we have shot of earthing, a beautiful promenade which we have created at the Bandra Reclamation, was the brain behind this whole beautiful concept of the Bandra Promenade, was by Mr. Ashish Shelar. Big round of applause for Ashish Shelar. Ashish Shelar जी, आपने जो बहुत बढ़िया reclamation promenade दिया, उसी promenade पर ये छोटी सी फिल्म शूट हुई थी. And I would say, आशीष जी, अगर आप फिर से एक बार वो फिल्म देख ले, can we repeat the earthing film एक बार और आशीष हमारे गार्डियन मिनिस्टर के साथ?
सर, मैंने कहा सर जी. क्या कर रहे हो आप?
अर्थिंग.
व्हाट?
इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंस में शॉर्ट सर्किट होता है, ये तो मालूम है. वैसे ही स्मार्टफोन, टेलीविजन, ट्रांसमिशन, एमिशन, जीएमओ, प्लास्टिक, सोशल मीडिया, इन सब से इंसान का भी फ्यूज हो सकता है. वायरिंग ठीक रखनी है तो अर्थिंग जरूरी है.
अर्थिंग.
धरती से टच में रहोगे तो कूल रहोगे.
या वरना ग्लोबल वार्मिंग.
और नेचर को हर्ट करेंगे तो उसका तो कुछ नहीं बिगड़ेगा.
पर अपनी तो वाट लग जाएगी. धरती का टेक केयर करो अपने अपने स्टाइल में.
और धरती भी तुम्हारा टेक केयर करेगी.
जो लोग अपने अपने स्टाइल में धरती का टेक कर रहे हैं, उसी तरह से आशीष जी ने इस बैंड्रा प्रोमेनाड का इतना खूबसूरत तरीके से बनाया है, द एंटायर स्ट्रेच दैट वी गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी. इम्तियाज जी और हम जब लोकेशन पे गए, आशीष जी, द बेस्ट थिंग व्हाट यू लाइक कि नहीं, ये ग्रास बहुत अच्छी है, द व्यू इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. सो दैट इम्तियाज जी, एवरीथिंग वाज क्रिएटेड बाय मिस्टर आशीष जी. द ब्रेन चाइल्ड बिहाइंड दिस प्रोमेनाड वाज मिस्टर आशीष शेलार. And Ajay ji has had now. I request Ajay Devgan ji, Asif Bamla ji, Imtiaz ji, please felicitate our Honorable Minister, Advocate Ashish Shelar. Nahi sir, felicitate. Sir, please यहाँ जाइए ना. We want a photo op. Sir, please. आगे आइए ना sir, please. Can I have the trophy, please? The momentum and the sapling. And Mr. Vijay Karya ji also, please come. Bhushan ji. Pratham. A very beautiful momentum from the MCGM and from the Raven Group, Tree of Life. Yes. I know, sir, please. Ashish ji, without taking much of time, your thoughts behind this. Okay, आइए सर प्लीज. आपके बहुत बिजी स्केड्यूल था आज and you took out time for this. Thank you so much, sir. And the media was absolutely anxiously waiting for you. So the mic is.
सभी को नमस्कार. देरी से आने के लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ, लेकिन डीपीडीसी की मीटिंग थी और वहाँ पर पूरे सबब उसका आने वाले 1 साल का पूरा बजट और प्लान ये डिसाइड होना था. इसके कारण थोड़ी देरी हुई. यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी सम्मानीय अतिथि, भामला फाउंडेशन ने हम सबको यहाँ पर बुलाया है तो एक नेक काम के लिए बुलाया है. वो हर साल वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे बहुत धूमधाम से कहते हैं. धूमधाम से भी ज़्यादा रियल वर्क, एक्चुअल वर्क, उस दिशा में काम करने का प्रयास हर साल उनका दिन ब दिन आगे बढ़ रहा है. शहर का भी मैं स्पेशल, कहाँ गई सर, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस करना चाहता हूँ कि आपने भी बीच क्लीनिंग हो, कहीं पर बेस्ट फ्रॉम द वेस्ट बेंचेस क्रिएशन हो, CSR फंड लाना हो, स्टूडेंट्स को स्कूल्स में भामला फाउंडेशन की तरफ से अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम, सम क्विज, सम कंपटीशन, और उसके साथ हमारी BMC इस शिव अभियान को मुंबई महानगर पालिका बहुत आगे लेके जाती है. वैसे पूरे देश में शायद एकमेव कॉरपोरेशन BMC होगी कि जो हर साल जुलाई में एनवायरनमेंट स्टेटस रिपोर्ट, एक रिपोर्ट जनरेट करती है और उसमें पूरे साल भर क्या एक्टिविटी की और कहाँ पर हम है, मे बी सी वाटर क्वालिटी टू एयर वाटर क्वालिटी, और उसमें BMC का भी बड़ा योगदान है. लेकिन इसको और लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए आप जैसे लोगों की ज़रूरत होती है. रोहित भाई, आप जैसे लोगों की, इम्तियाज़ भाई आपकी भी, अजय भाई, और जब आप लोग कहते हैं, लोगों को अपील करते हैं, तब और भी उसका प्रभाव स्वाभाविकता से लोगों में होता भी है और एक्टिविटी भी उसके कारण बढ़ती है. तो ये अर्थिंग नाम का जो कॉन्सेप्ट, सॉन्ग क्रिएशन एंड अवेयरनेस, ये पूरे मुंबई में नहीं, पूरे महाराष्ट्र में नहीं, पूरे देश में चले और इसका एक प्रचार प्रसार हो. और इतने लोग आए हैं तो रोहित भाई तो मेरे हर प्रोग्राम में आते भी है. आपने देखा भी है कि हम और भी कुछ ओपन स्पेसेस क्रिएट करना चाह रहे हैं जिससे पूरे मुंबई को लाभ हो. उसमें आपको भी आना है. हम सब लोग मिलकर एक ओपन स्पेस क्रिएशन जो मुंबई की लंग्स जैसी जिसकी मान्यता है वो BMC के साथ क्रिएट करेंगे. उसमें भी आप सबका योगदान रहे. भामला फाउंडेशंस को बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं. थैंक यू.
आशीष जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. और एक लास्ट स्पीकर, आई वाज पर्पसली वेटेड यू टू नॉट टू स्पीक बिकॉज आई वाज वेटिंग आशीष शेलार जी. शर्वरी वाघ जी, योर थॉट, योर कोलैबोरेशन ऑन दिस फिल्म विद द भामला फाउंडेशन. Ajay ji, we were waiting for Ashish Shelar ji and then you to speak. Now please share your thoughts of the collaboration with the BMC and the Bhamla Foundation.
Good evening to everyone in the audience and all the dignitaries on the dais. Thank you so much to Asif sir, to Seher and the whole Bhamla Foundation for not just doing the work that they do, but also encouraging everybody else to do the good work and to help the environment in every way possible. This film is actually really sweet and very special. Thank you, Imtiaz sir, for directing me. It's always been a dream come true, and I've always wanted to be directed by you, so this really feels special. And thank you so much, Ajay sir. It was really so much fun working with you, hanging with you, having a side chat with you through the times that we shot the film. And I can't wait to hopefully be on some set with you again. Thank you, Bhushan Gagrani ji sir, and everyone at the BMC who do such amazing, amazing work for our city, for our country. Thank you so much, Ashish ji, for everything that you do for our city, for our country. And I just would like to say one thing, that this awareness campaign is especially for everybody, also the youth. And I think the only thing I would say is that don't wait for change, be the change. And the most special thing about the film is that it says dharti ka take care karo apne apne style mein, and that I really like, because I'm also learning, and I think all of us are, and that apne apne style mein is important, because do whatever and as much as you can do. So thank you so much.
I know Ajay ji has to leave because he was the first to arrive. So just one question, because Ajay has to leave, and then maybe you can ask Sharwari ji. We'll request Sharwari ji to stay back. We'll just have Ajay.
Sir, any question from the media? Yeah, please. The mic is here.
A quick one.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Sejal. I'm from Dainik Bhaskar, here in the center. Yeah. मेरा क्वेश्चन रोहित जी से, इम्तियाज़ जी से, अजय जी से और शर्वरी जी से है कि आप इन्वायरमेंट के लिए क्या बदलाव चाहते हो और क्या बदलाव आप कर चुके हो?
अजय जी फ़ैन ऑफ कर देते हैं जब बाहर निकलते हैं कमरे से, और नीरज जी भी करते हैं, ये भी पता चला है। और एक्चुअली हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि हमारे सेट्स पे प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स ना हो, और बहुत मुश्किल होता है फिल्म शूट में प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स का ना होना, बट वी ट्राई टू डू दैट एंड ऑल, लाइक यूज़ लेस। बचपन में मैंने सुना था प्लीज़ यूज़ लेस, सेव एनर्जी, पल्स, so I remember that as a kid, and I have always executed that. I think all of us can do that. Over to Rohit.
It's like when I spoke earlier also, it's just not one thing. It's gradually day-to-day life. There is so much of progression also happening. There are so many products coming in, which you have to be careful whether we should use this or not. There are solar panels now, like you get for your buildings, like for electricity. Now you see the EV cars are also coming. So these are the small things which are very important, and day-to-day basis pe hum exactly every day we all are aware of, like Imtiaz said about electricity and everything, but on day-to-day progression, like how can we help? Not only us, our family, but the authorities as well. And how can we be a part of them and be helpful to them, not only complaining कि ये ऐसा हो गया, ऐसा हो गया, ऐसा हो गया, but being a part and being helpful to them, because they are not answerable to us. We are answerable to our city. We are answerable to our country.
I think like everybody said कि सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा कुछ करना पड़ेगा। मैं ये ज़रूर समझता हूँ कि अचानक आप सिर्फ इसके बारे में सोचें और लाइफ अपनी पूरी चेंज कर दें, ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता। लेकिन अगर आप छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करने लगें तो हर बात पे अगर आप कॉन्शियस रहें और जो भी आप कर रहे हैं उसमें सोचें कि इसमें नुकसान कितना है और फ़ायदा कितना है। जैसे मुझे 5 साल हो गए, मैं प्लास्टिक की बोतल यूज़ नहीं करता हूँ, प्लास्टिक में पानी पीता नहीं हूँ मैं। तो 5 साल से इट्स बीन अ रूल इन माय हाउस, मेरा भी है। जैसा इम्तियाज़ कह रहा था कि आई एम वेरी कॉन्शियस कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वेस्ट ना हो, और सिंपल थिंग्स ऑल्सो, लाइक कि अगर कोई कहता है लेट्स गो फॉर अ ड्राइव, मैं बोलता पोल्यूशन क्यों बढ़ा रहे हैं, फ्यूल बेस्ड क्यों कर रहे हैं। सो दीज आर स्मॉल थिंग्स जो दे आर नॉट सैक्रिफाइसेस, दे आर बीइंग, आपको सिर्फ कॉन्शियस रहना है कि इससे क्या नुकसान हो सकता है, उतनी चीज़ें अगर हर आदमी करने लगेगा तो आई थिंक बहुत बड़ा फ़र्क पड़ेगा. किसी एक आदमी के बहुत बड़े करने से ज़्यादा बहुत बड़ा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. एंड दैट्स इट. एंड वी आर हियर ओनली बिकॉज आप लोग से थोड़ा बहुत प्यार जो हमें मिला है, तो हमें कभी कभार ऐसा लग जाता है कि एक दो बातें आप लोग हमारी सुन लेते हैं, तो हम कोशिश करते हैं बोलने की, ताकि आवाज़ कानों तक पहुंच जाए. फिर करना नहीं करना तो लोगों के हाथ में होता है, बट हम तो कोशिश करते रहेंगे.
Thank you, Ajay ji. That was so thoughtful.
Sharvari ji.
Yeah, Sharvari.
I think most of the points were covered by Imtiaz sir, Rohit sir, and Ajay sir. But since you asked that if there's something that we do in our personal lives, I think the smallest and the simplest thing would be to reuse. I think that what I generally do, even when I go for shoots, I carry my own cutlery and I carry on my own plate. It's a really small thing, but it's important that you're not using something and throwing it. You're just bringing it from home and eating, and everybody can take it to their office and wherever you go, really. So that's something I do, but I think everything else they have covered, and thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you very much. This brings an end to this powerful afternoon. Thank you very much, each and everyone. I would request Seher Bamla to please vote of thanks to all our guests.
Hello. Hi. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming and for covering this. Thank you for creating this beautiful campaign, Imtiaz ji. It's lovely. And I just hope that this reaches each and every home, because it has been made with a lot of heart, with a lot of effort, and we genuinely want to make a small change. And this was the best medium, because lectures are really boring and nobody wants to hear it. So maybe in this manner, we can create awareness and we reduce using single-use plastic, we cycle shorter distance, and like what everybody mentioned. And yeah, before we all leave, can we take a nice group picture over here so we can take a...
So this is every time where Seher becomes Seher. So let's have a photo op and then we call off this beautiful afternoon. Can I have a picture, please? Romanchak Arora, the producer, please come in the frame. Come. Come, Romanchak. The Honorable DMC, Mr. Vishwas Mote. I just saw you, sir. Vishwas Mote ji is here. And the board officer, Mr. Dinesh Paliwal, we need to give one sapling to... can I have a sapling, Hashim? Sapling ek dena. The DMC Zone 3, Mr. Vishwas Mote, and the Assistant Municipal Commissioner, H. West Ward, Mr. Dinesh Pallewar. Ajay ji, ye dono officers have been working rock solid for the society. Ajay, please aye. I think Gagrani ji, please also join. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. There's a refreshments for the media, and we thank you everyone for being part of this.